Okay, so we're back from the outside. So through the magic of warp speed and the flux capacitor and all that, boom, the desk is in. So the desk is ready to go. I gotta make a plate under there for the outlets like I have up top. These two guys here, I 3D printed those. So, all right. So now we're gonna start measuring for the shelves. We're gonna put, actually I thought I was gonna put 2 shelves, but all I'm gonna do is just put 1 right above this outlet here. I think 2 shelves is gonna be way too much. So, all right, so we're gonna use same thing I have up there. I wanted the black pipe, but Home Depot doesn't carry that anymore. So what I have here is this galvanized pipe, and I got one for each side. So I got the pipe, it's a 12-inch pipe, and it threads on. This is a cap, the flange to hold it on the wall. So that's it, pretty simple. And this is gonna go in line with this one, and it's going to go in line there on both sides. So how do we do that? We're going to use a laser. Bring this up right above the outlet, right there. I'll lock this in place. This is a wood floor, so it kind of moves around a little bit. So anyways, there it is. So that's where we're going to put this thing. It's going to be centered. Let me take a picture of that. It's going to be centered. Focus. And then
talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
So this is going to be right at the line. Let's set this right in the center. So now my board is going to sit right on top. Okay, so I got a little bit of a stronger drill, so let's see what happens now. Okay, it's a lot better. So there it is. Got to get the other one in, so I'm going to move this over. Move you guys. No, you're good there. All right, so now do the same thing on this side. So that looks good. I'm a little afraid of drilling through and putting the screw in. I got a lot of electric through here, so you got to be careful. Anyways, that should be good. Turn this off. And let me go get the, by the way, another rigid tool. Pretty good. This is Bosch, so, but it works really good, this tripod. So I had this outside. It's been raining since Thursday, I think. It's Sunday today. The stain is still, it's still not dry. So, whoop. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Perfect. Okay. Pretty good. Okay. So that looks pretty good. All right, there it is. So now we have 2 shelves. So we got that one and that one. The only damage we got right there, and a little stain on the wall. By the way, I think I showed this before. A friend of mine gave me that, and I found that in the trash. I was working at somebody's house, my favorite team, and signed by Gary Carter. He was a catcher for the Mets, 1986. So I don't know, maybe he played after that. I haven't been following. So there it is. We're gonna take a quick measurement because this doesn't look right to me. Looks like this side, it's wider. The span is higher than this side. So let's see. So now let's take a measurement and see what it looks bigger here. This is 15 1/4, and this looks like 14 1/4. Wow. Wonder why. So I need to bring this side down. I think I see the problem. This pipe is bent. Let's see. Looks like the pipe is bent. Let me get the wrench and try to yeah, that's what it is. Looks like the pipe is bent. Now I'm at 15, and this is at 14 1/4. Huh. I mean, it's pretty even here, unless the top one is off, but I don't think the top one is off. So that one's good. But it is crooked. Now we're at a little bit more. Now we're less. So I think, yeah, it needs to go a little bit over here. But it, yeah. Oh, man, okay.
Do my eyes deceive me?
If I bring this one up, I should have exactly what I need. So I have to bring this one a little bit up. But let me stand back and see if we can see the difference. Let's see. Not that bad. So I say, what do you guys think? Let's see here. What do you guys think? I think it should stay right there, because I don't really want to move it, and I don't think you'll notice it. Like I said, this is a little small area, so, but it's gonna bother me, I think. Yeah, this is gonna bother me. Old English. Okay. This smells really good. Okay, so let me bring the computer in. I'm gonna drill a hole so that I can get to the bottom of this. You know what? I'm gonna drill a hole, and then I'm gonna 3D print a grommet to go in there. So, and then I'll show you. Maybe I'll put that on a video too. But anyways, maybe I'll put it on this video. All right, so let's go ahead and cut the hole. Oh no, dead soldier. Okay, so my 3D printer is going to go there. Let me get a rag to clean this. So let's put the 3D printer over there. The cord is going to go through the hole. And the reason being, I have a battery backup under there because this thing sometimes it takes a long time to print, and if the power goes out, then your work is shot. You can start it in the middle and stuff, but it's better not to have the machine stop working while it's doing something. So I think I'm going to take this off so that I can slide it all the way back, and then I'm going to put my monitor over a little bit. Okay, then I got to clean it. Any little thing that you do, it gets so dusty, and I hate dust. Let's see here. I'm gonna get this off. This is this thing, I'm gonna get it off of here, because I want to push the machine all the way under. So I just ordered 5 rolls of this stuff. This was like 12 bucks, but because of all these problems with China, the rolls have gone up to $20 a roll. Actually, they were $25 a roll, but I asked the guy if I buy 5, would he go down? So he said fine, and I don't know where I got. Oh, I touched the thing up top is still wet, so the shelf. I 3D printed these legs. Can you see them? Yeah. These legs under here, so that I can set these, so that I can set this thing underneath. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift it over. Beautiful. Okay. Slide it over. Slide it over some more. Okay, so now it's all set. I'm gonna bring this out a little bit so that I can see the screen to print. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna set this reel. I wanted it here, but then I need the machine to come all the way up. So maybe over here. Let's try that. Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, I think that'll work. But it's in front of the computer. I think it'll work there, but it sticks out this way too far. No way, I'm not gonna drill into the into the shelf. All right, so I don't have much choice, so I have to put this here. So that's where it's gonna go. I gotta get this little guy. Look at this little guy. That guy. That little guy has to go in that groove, and it's to hold the this thing, to hold the reel. So that's how that's gonna go. Just like that. This thing broke. I gotta get it. This thing, this wheel broke, came off. So I just have to reprint it. But for now that works.